San Christobol forts. We took the group here after some Starbucks. So I pumped a bunch of energy into them, and now I'm gonna drain that right back out of them. What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we are back on board the Carnival Breeze. Today we are docking in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico. It is beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico, and look right here, actually pulling in is going to be the Harmony of the Seas. That is with Royal Caribbean, currently the second largest cruise ship in the world. So there you have it. There is San Juan, Puerto Rico. Like I just said, we have just docked. Listen, if you're new here and you don't know who I am, my name is Josh. I'll be your host for this amazing, adventurous day that we're gonna have today. Right now, we're heading back to meet up with our group. I am hosting a group cruise here on board the Carnival Breeze, and so we have a morning family huddle. That's where we all get together and we talk about the day's events and activities and what's gonna be happening throughout the day. So I'm heading back to meet with them right now. What are we gonna be doing today with you guys? We're gonna be heading out into San Juan and exploring old San Juan on foot, as well as the forts, have some local cuisine lunch. We're gonna try and make it to the Umbrella Street and a bunch of other fun stuff. So you do not wanna miss it. Make sure if you're not already subscribed, you hit that subscribe button right now. Babe, look. Here's Miss Lauren. Say good morning, baby. Good morning. There's the second largest cruise ship in the world. There's David and Michael. I know you guys. I know. Huh?
How do you know me?
Alright, so what are we doing today? Today, who has got an excursion? Anybody got an excursion? We had one. Okay, Louise and Betsy.
They already left.
Okay.
They said they would meet us at Umbrella Street.
Perfect. Okay. We are having dinner in Cucina del Capitano tonight. Yes, that is correct. I did get pizza for breakfast. I haven't had it this trip, and I was like, you know what? I gotta get this. It's enough waiting. And yeah, this is a very thin crust. If you're not a huge fan of thin crust pizza, you probably won't like it, because I mean, it is super thin. It is thin. Yeah, yeah. Hold it up to the light. We're heading down right now. We're gonna meet the group and get off the ship and go explore beautiful old San Juan, Puerto Rico. I have no idea where we're going first, but I've been told it's Starbucks. How authentic. Getting off the ship? Why, yes. Yes, we are. No, we're not. Hello. Yes, good morning. That's right.
Carrie said she's on the way.
Carrie is on the way.
She's gonna come.
Hello, lovely.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, lovely. How are you? Hello, lovelies. Who do I sound like? Hello, lovelies. Cruise director, who do I sound like? Hello, lovelies. Emma, have you ever sailed with Emma?
No, I met Emma.
That's her like catchphrase. Here we go. We're heading off the ship.
Does everybody have their picture IDs?
With the gang in tow, yeah. Get your money.
Gotta have the money to get bailed out of jail.
Yeah. Bail money.
US. Yeah, this is US.
Ship cards.
Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you. Okay. Here we go. Man, we're back. Beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico.
Could you please come on? And then YouTube, could you please come over here? Sorry, sir. I didn't want to.
Well, we're out here in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico. There is the cruise ships. Right there. And right there. Look at that, Miss Kay. How big is that ship? Massive. Massive. Oh, without a doubt. It takes you a good 20 minutes to walk from one side to the other.
So many times.
Yeah. But there is our beautiful ship, the Carnival Breeze. Absolutely spectacular. So the first place that everybody wanted to go was, of course, American coffee, which is, how do they get more American than Starbucks? How beautiful. Isn't that pretty, babe?
Hey,
Do you
Josh,
want some
see
ice
that-
cream?
See where that lime green umbrella is?
Uh-huh.
That's where I ate.
Oh, yeah.
That's really, really good.
So the gang wanted to go to Starbucks first. So everybody's got their Starbucks. Miss Kay, what you got? What was it called?
Macadamia cocoa frappuccino with a shot of espresso.
Macadamia, cocoa, shot of espresso, coffee, yummy macadamia frappuccino. Oh my God, what is going on? Are they eating somebody? Oh. Wow. So we are walking. The first place we're gonna go today is the San Cristobal Fort. Now it's $5 to get in the fort, and that'll actually get you in San Cristobal and the El Morro Fort. So really, really a nice price here in San Juan. You gotta come check them out. They're right here on the ocean front, and it is a local piece of history. You gotta come visit it. All right, if anybody needs to use the restroom, it's right on the other side of this. Once we get up there, there is no more restroom unless you want to pee off the rocks. How about this? So we're now here at the, are we at the San Cristobal? Yeah. Hello. We're at the San Cristobal Forts. There's, boy, this is steep. We're at the San Cristobal Forts. We took the group here after some Starbucks. So I pumped a bunch of energy into them, and now I'm gonna drain it right back out of them. Chugga-lugga, choo-choo.
Oh God.
You all right?
Yeah, I need over here.
Hey! She's up here. How did you get down there? Mike, what shirt do you got on today? What shirt is that? He's got on the Cruising Life and Sea Together shirt. You can get yours now over at joshhokum.com. Look at that wonderful t-shirt there. I've also got on the Cruise with Josh sunglasses. They are the hottest selling item over on the website, so you gotta make sure you head over and get you a pair before they sell out, because I'm thinking about switching up the design pretty soon. Hey everybody.
Now you gotta climb.
Almost just face first.
Now you gotta go up that.
Boy, that'll wake your legs up. Come on, let the brakes off. Let the brakes off.
No.
Okay, let the brakes off, babe.
Down and keep walking.
Up the other.
I don't wanna.
Josh.
I don't wanna.
Put one foot in front of the other.
I was 65 and arthritis kicked in.
What do you mean 65? You're going on 22. Wow. Oh wow, look at that down there. That's awesome. And down there's El Morro, you guys can see all the way down. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What a view. Wow. What a view. Yeah. Absolutely. Fantastic. Yeah. Yeah. They were taking some people out in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah! You made it!
We've already been up here once, man.
Man, we've been doing circles around y'all.
It's like a maze. 61 years old and I ran up that hill.
Nice.
I got video of it for you.
Bet you. Oh, good.
Here he comes. I can't even run that fast. Look how fast he's going. Look at him go.
Good. Yeah.
I saw her
There's
running,
no
I'm
video
like-
proof it didn't happen. Look at this. Is this not Fantastic, Miss Kay.
I found a place with a step to sit in.
That is a great, great view. Wow.
Well, I lied.
This is beautiful. Who's back there? Who's back there? Who's back there? So we are finishing up our time here in San Cristobal Ports. We're heading down. Oh, there goes Wifey right there. There goes Lauren right there. Where's she running? Where's she running? Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Look out! Train is coming through. Michael thought his life was over right there for a second. We are finishing up our time here. Not sure if we're gonna go up to the El Morro Forts or not. Some of the group is very tired, but we'll let you guys know what we decided to do. I think I got proof one that would take them. What do you say, baby? You want tacos? I want tacos too.
Taco Bell.
Queso?
Taco Bell, where?
No, we ain't get no Taco Bell. We're gonna get some authentic tacos. You want some authentic tacos, Tom?
I want Taco Bell.
Taco Bell is good. Taco Bell is good.
Yes.
Yeah, I do
You
enjoy
ever
some.
had their Grand Scramblers in the morning?
I have not. I've actually never had Taco Bell's breakfast. Never had it.
Sausage Grand Scrambler.
Uh-huh. It's good?
Oh yeah. And put breakfast.
Tom recommends it. Maybe you should try it. Check this out. Baby, isn't this beautiful? How about this, guys? Beautiful. Uh-huh. This is beautiful.
We're in the right spot for rain.
Hola, my friend. Tacos! We found them. So yes, we knew no. Technically, tacos is not Puerto Rican food. But it's what the whole gang is in the mood for. Yeah, let's get these tables right here. So the gang, we walked down here, down through Old San Juan. We've just made it to Don Taquito, right? Don Taquitos. It is tacos. We realized, like I said, it's San Juan. They're not Mexican, but hey, whatever. But Cody here, my gosh. Cody, that thing has got to be as big as your head. Cody went and got him a fresh pineapple pina colada. Boy, we are not going to see you for the rest of the day.
I got a sangria down there.
He's going to be doing handstands down the Lido. You got a what? A sangria too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Where?
I'm gonna be riding the stroller back.
Yeah. I'm about to say we need to put one of those monkey leashes on
Take my glasses off. Oh my god, it's so good.
Hey Tom, give us a wave. How is it?
Oh my god.
Good?
This is really the best burrito I've ever had.
This is really good. Very good.
Right, lunch is served. How is it, everybody that's got it?
Great.
Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, we're still waiting on a couple more. Still waiting on a couple more down there. Theirs is coming out of the kitchen right now. Actually, here it comes. Literally, here it comes right now. But really, really, really yummy. Some local cuisine here. I mean, not authentic to the island, but you know, still a nice local restaurant. We're not eating at McDonald's or Pizza Inn or Taco Bell, something. Yeah, Taco Bell. So if you want that option, right up here, you come straight up the steps, come straight up, and the Starbucks that we stopped at earlier is right up there, and this restaurant's literally right here. What is it called? Don's Taquitos? Don's Taquitos. You gotta come check them out on your next visit to San Juan. All right. Excellent little lunch done. Super crazy, but good food nonetheless. Peter, Lauren, and myself are actually heading back to the ship right now. We have got an interview with the cruise director, Schwartz, coming up about 3 o'clock. So that's about 40 minutes time. So we've got to head back on board, get changed up, get our cameras ready, and get down and meet him for that awesome fun time. If you'd like to check out that video, once it's uploaded, I'll have an eye blinking up in the corner here so you can go over and check out that video. Like I said, it's gonna be a really fun interview, a little bit of insight to Mr. Schwartz's life on board the Carnival Breeze. Next time, what a perfect day we've had today. Mr. Schwartz, cruise director, Cucina del Capitano, formal night. Are we feeling full? Just tried our hand in the casino a little bit. Had a good show.